Here we are. I'm all alone in the desert like I usually am. Oh wait, there's 1,000 people out there. I guess I'm not, and that's Cody. Cody is here. I think you know that. And no, I'm not alone here in the desert. I'm with a few other people. It's the first day of the RTR. The only thing missing is you. I wish you were here. And so far, no cars, no RVs have exploded driving down the road, and there's been no disasters, and we've all survived. So I think you could make it too. And are you guys having a good time? We just started. So I think this is going to go really, really well, and I do wish you were here. And I'll be talking. I will be doing a daily vlog, and I'll keep you up to date as I can. And of course, half a dozen or a dozen other YouTubers will keep you up to date as well, so you'll know what's going on. Okay, I'm going to do my deal here. I'll let you watch a little bit of it, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, let's do this. Who's from over 1,000 miles away? Who's come more than 1,000 miles? Wow, my goodness. I bet half the people here just raised their 2/3. Okay, well, who's from 1,500 miles away? Where are you people from? How do you get this far away in this country? Okay, who's 2,000 miles away? I'm still blown away. All right, this one we have to really go up there. 2,500 miles. I mean, you're not even in the continental United States. Is Maine 2,500 miles? Okay, I know we have a bunch of Maine folks here. If I were from Maine, I'd be here too. I was from Alaska all my life, and man, I'm not going to spend another winter in Alaska, I can assure you of that. And we have had some cold weather here, if you've been here for a while. It's actually been fairly cold, but still better than Maine or Alaska. So I'm putting up with it pretty well.
Over 10,000 miles away.
10,000 miles, where are you from?
Israel.
Oh my, wow. Well, welcome, I'm glad you're here. Oh, well, thank you. Okay, what other international countries? Montreal. I'm sorry, ma'am, I didn't. Ontario, Canada. Probably a lot of Canadians. Yeah, the Canadians are going to be well represented. Yes. Scotland, that's a long way. We should just have you up here and just talk. And someone else was over here from another country, right near to him. New Brunswick, Canada, yes.
Is he wearing a kilt?
If you have no kilt for Scotland? No. You'll bring this kilt for the next one, and your bagpipe. I'm sure you must have bagpipe. Any other foreign countries represented? Yeah. Wait. What's back there? I'm. UK. Thank you for coming. That's a long ways. That was the drive. Yes. So folks, there you have it, my vlog for the first day of the RTR. It was a busy day. We lots of people here, but people having a great time. The only thing missing is you, and I really do mean that. So plan to join us here in the future. So I hope you enjoyed that drone footage, get some shots of the crowd. We'll try and go around and get more as we go along. We'll be seeing you every day of the RTR, Cody and I, and he's right here. And so if you got anything out of this video, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you later.